I'm kind of vibing with the light, the ring light. Subscribe, mother. Wow, hello, beautiful people. Beautiful people, down designer clothes. What's going on? Yes, sir. What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are well. Hope you are staying strong. Hope you are staying safe, and all of the above. Don't show that. Don't show my weaknesses. What is going on, people? I wanted to talk about my morning routine and what I've been doing for probably the whole of this year at this point. I think I was consistently doing it at the start of January, and I've been doing it consistently ever since. So just wanted to talk about that little B-roll at the start and basically what I've been getting up to and how it's been helping me this year. So for anyone that doesn't know, I actually got a full-time job for the first time in like 5 years since I started my own business. So I had done that because of a couple of things that I'll probably speak about in another video, but I basically done that because I wanted, you know, a new challenge. I wanted a new objective, a new thing to focus on. And the agency I absolutely love doing, the YouTube videos I absolutely love doing, but I wanted more. I want to learn other skills for my lifetime, if that makes sense. So one thing I wanted to get into was property, so that's obviously what I've been doing. I've went and become a real estate agent, so I am going to make a more in-depth video about that. But obviously I'm still running the agency, I'm still running my YouTube channel, and I've just always been interested in property. So I was like, why don't I go and get a job within property that I can learn everything about it and get paid for doing so. So that is what I'm doing. All of the money from that I'm basically investing back into property as well. So obviously here on my personal YouTube channel, I'm going to be documenting everything when it comes to what I'm doing personally, side hustles that I'm still running, and you know, just other things I'm doing to make money. But I will try and bring you into the real estate game when it comes to how I've been getting on with that job and how I've been managing my time when it comes to running the agency. And obviously one of those factors is my morning routine, so I can get stuff for my business done before I go to work, and obviously set myself up good for the day to know that I'm going to get results in my now full-time role. So yeah, first thing I do when I wake up is I journal and I write out my goals. That's been something I have been trying to probably get in the habit of for years and years, of just getting into the routine of making sure I'm writing down my goals as soon as I wake up. And honestly, it makes such a big impact on your day, because when you wake up and write down what it is you wanting to achieve, it's like every second of that day after is concentrated on those goals. So the next thing I do is read for like 20 minutes. This has been an absolute game changer. I was one of those kids that never really read when I was at school. Since I've started reading, since I started my own business and started getting into self-development, that's when stuff really started to change for me, to be honest with you. So it's probably the best habit I'd recommend out of all of these things. It is what I would suggest doing. Just getting into the habit of reading every day, because you're literally then consuming so much knowledge on a day-to-day basis that you don't even realize. Reading 20 minutes a day, obviously self-development books, business books, finance books are everything that I would recommend. If you ain't a stranger to the channel, I would have recommended books in the past, and I'm continuously updating that library, and I love going back to old books that I've read now as well, which is really cool. The next thing I'm trying to do consistently is visualize. So I'm just following a YouTube video pretty much every single day on visualization and trying to visualize my goals and what I want to achieve. I've also used the voice note app on my phone to do an affirmation, and I listen to that pretty much every single day just to remind myself of what I'm trying to achieve. So writing down my goals, affirmations, and visualizing has been like the main focus on what I'm trying to do in my morning routine. Then I try and do at least one work block. That usually is something along the lines of managing my team with the agency, writing a YouTube script, or doing some YouTube video editing. Then I obviously go ahead and work out. I really like working out from home at this moment in time. Like obviously the gyms are closed. I obviously used to work in a gym, so I really do love working out in a gym. But when push comes to shove, you really don't need to go to the gym to get results. So I am typically doing skipping and HIIT exercises in the morning for around 20 minutes. Then have a little shower. I then go ahead and have a shower. At the minute I'm really trying to do the cold shower thing, and honestly I actually really enjoy them. Obviously you don't have a full-blown cold shower, I have a normal shower, and then at the end of it I literally make the shower go cold for about 30 seconds and just try and stay under there as long as possible and get ready for my day, go to work, and of course we will talk about my nighttime routine in another video. So guys, if you did enjoy the video, smash the subscribe button and the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.